Bladder cancer is a common type of cancer affecting thousands worldwide, with men being more susceptible. While it can occur at any age, it's more frequent in older adults. Early diagnosis is key, often detectable through symptoms like blood in urine. Treatment options include surgery, chemotherapy, and radiotherapy. Proper diagnosis is crucial for effective treatment. Bladder cancer signs and symptoms. Let's know here what are the warning signs of bladder cancer. 1. Bleeding while urinating. Bleeding while urinating is one of the most common symptoms of bladder cancer that you should never ignore. It can be a painless situation and can continue for weeks and even months. However, many women ignore the symptoms, especially when they are at the menopause period. If you see blood or changes in urine color, you must inform the doctor, and sometimes tests can detect why the problem is occurring. 2. Sudden weight loss. Like any other type of cancer, unintentional weight loss is also a prior symptom of bladder cancer. If you suddenly feel something is not right when you urinate and lose weight suddenly without any other reason, then you mustn't ignore the signs and immediately contact the doctor. 3. Feel like UTI. UTI or urinary tract infection is also a common infection triggered by women mostly, and many times, due to lack of proper diagnosis, bladder cancer can remain hidden. If you ever had UTI, you know how it feels. Pain in the lower abdomen area, the frequent urge to urinate, irritation, burning sensation, etc. are the symptoms of UTI and similar to bladder cancer. The doctor prescribes antibiotics in UTI, and if you feel that antibiotics aren't working and the symptoms are still there, you must ask for a proper diagnosis and examination. 4. Loss of appetite. Decreased appetite can be a sign of bladder cancer like any other major ailment. If you suddenly notice that you are not feeling hunger anymore and don't much interested in eating your favorite foods, then you shouldn't ignore the sign and listen to your body. 5. Weakness and fatigue. Early fatigue and tiredness and weaknesses also indicate that something is not right inside you. The early sign of bladder cancer can make you feel weak and you may lose interest in daily chores. Your whole body is fighting with the uninvited guest, and lack of appetite can make you weaker. 6. Back pain. In many researchers, people with bladder cancer reported back pain. Bladder cancer is curable, but sometimes it can affect your body for a long time, and some symptoms vary from person to person differently. 7. Irritation and difficulty in urine. If you feel something is blocking the way when you pass urine and feel pain and difficulty and irritation while urinating, it can be a major sign of bladder cancer. Most of the symptoms are related to the bladder and urine process, so don't ignore them. You surely feel the urgency of urine even when the bladder is still empty. You may feel a strain or pressure when passing urine due to cancerous cell growth. 8. Pain in other body parts. Bladder cancer can spread to the other body parts, and feeling uncertain pain is the symptom. Like if you are feeling pain in the perineum area or flank area near the pubic bone, it can be a symptom of bladder cancer. Bladder cancer can cause abdominal pain if it spreads to the stomach or liver. Joint pain may occur if it affects the bones. In rare instances, it may spread to the lungs, causing symptoms like coughing, blood in cough, and breathing difficulties. If it targets the kidneys, swelling in the legs and feet may occur.